good. Ready to get on there. All right. Well, so I'm back on live right now. There is as you can see, we're taking a look at it, looking at this destructive severe thunderstorm warning that has been that is just been issued. So this is a very serious threat. So this is this we've been tracking the storm. This is the storm this is the storm I experienced 3 years ago. Um, with the this is a very serious, destructive high winds. We're talking baseball sized hail, and a possible a tornado that could be developing in these areas: Skytook, Collinsville, and Ullagard. We got to check out the rotations and see what is going on with that. We just have another severe thunderstorm warning that has just been issued. So let's take a look at the vortex, the velocity. So look at this rotation right here. So this is that tornado that could be developing that is going on right now. That may be could be possible of a tornado. So there's that vortex right there. So this is that cell I'm looking at right now. We're looking at this cell right here. That is that tornado that we're talking about. That it could be lowering. So we have a tornado right here. That is not that is looking at like a possible a tornado right now. So that is something that we have to look after. There's a possibly a rotation right here, right here. I wanted to play what that rotation is doing. So there's that rotation, and as you can see, there is possible of a spin up that is going on. That is going on right now. So this is that tornado that possible destructive severe thunderstorm that we're looking at right now. That we might have to be looking after. So there someone has reported 60 miles per wind. Power outage could be possible right now. So I wanted to check this radar out, see what see if the other, I don't know why Weatherwise is not reporting any power outage at this point. So right now there is no details of any power outages are being reported at this time. So let's just figure out what's going on with that as right now. So we just need to watch out for that as well. So let's go back and look at that. The max radar was doing. So there's that line of storms that looking at right now. These are the very, very serious thunderstorms that is moving. No, the thing about it is there is no tornado at this time. No tornado warning at this time. So I'm not even. And then let's look at the models. What it looks like. So this is the. Let's look at the. Let's go to the hail. What it looks like. If I can find it. Here it may be this one. It just maybe. Oh wait, here's the hail. So this is what it looks like on the hail. This is pretty really serious. Well, right now this one right here could be serious right here. So this is like the levels of that hail that were possibly experienced at this time. So probability is held. So this is not really not so much. And you can see the rotations, and we'll go back to that radar image right here. So that Tulsa County has issued a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. So lots of sirens should be going off because this is because in Collinsville, Skagit, and Illegal and Vera, anytime this is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning, the siren it will trigger the tornado signs, even though if it's not a tornado at this time. So just please keep that in mind right now. So to be looking after. So we could figure out what's going on right now. So we do have a lot to take in. So I'm going to look at that. See what's see if I can get access to the image at this time. So right now things are looking really good, hopefully. So we have so I am not hearing any more. I don't have any comments right now at this point, so that's. Now let's go back and look at the Veloso city. So not much on seeing the tornado. So good news is that this destructive severe thunderstorm warning that has now been dropped down to Kasura severe thunderstorm warning at this time. So that's really good news. It's not destructive anymore, but there is still a possible of a tornado that could be develop at this time. So let's go back and look at the Velocity City. So not much on the Velocity City. We can still see a little bit of a rotation right here. So that's really good news. We also want to check out this one. That is a severe thunderstorm warning. It's just moving south thieves, and we also got this destructive Kasura severe thunderstorm warning. And then right now things are starting to be a lot more calm, and hopefully it will get out. Hopefully this will be expired in the next 40 minutes. So we're looking at around 5:45 that Kasura severe thunderstorm warning will be dropped. Hopefully we won't have a tornado, even though there's a 10% chance of a tornado that we could possibly have at this time. So we also have another never mind. That severe destructive Kasura severe thunderstorm warning will be expired in 10 minutes. So that's really good news. So right now, and then we also this was a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. I think Tulsa's out of it. Broken Arrow, Cibola are not nowhere near that. But I'm gonna play the radar image, see what would that do. So let's look at that. There's a destructive severe thunderstorm warning, and you can see these are just moving just south. So it's gonna miss Broken Arrow. So we might be extremely lucky at this time. I want to go back and look at that and see what that is doing on the rotations. And it's not looking anything near bad as I thought. I've got another 37 minutes to go, so that's really, really, really good news. We also have another severe thunderstorm warning that has just been issued. Now I'm curious about what's going on with this one. I'll play this radar image, see what that is. See what that's going to do. So I'll play it right now. Oh, it is shifting. So they just issued another severe thunderstorm warning. That could shift it right over here. Because this is maybe 30 miles per hour. Also, today is my wife's birthday, so I wish her a happy birthday. And it has some rotations. There's another rotation right there I'm looking at. could be that tornado. I want to look at these rotations. There's a little bit of some rotation right here. So I got another 30 more minutes to go. And I am really, really getting this storm 60 miles per hour wind, so that's gonna be something. And this storm is moving 30 miles per hour. If that keeps going on, it still shifts that direction. It could tackle parts of Great Country, Sapulpa, Gallipoli, Bixby, and Jinx, Broken Arrow, not so much. Maybe Coweta, but not so much. Maybe it could hit, because it's get ready to hit the Cushing, Oklahoma, Dark Corners, Annandale, Gano, and Drumright are pretty much get ready to have some storms that is get ready to be moved over there. And then look, we also look at this tornado that could be impacting. So let me go back and look at that Veloci city where that Voltrex is. So there's that tornado. That might be a possible of a tornado that could be forming. So we want to look at see what how do I get to that there's like a way I could do a tornado tracker, and gosh, I wish there was a way to find out how to do that. And then so there's that. Yeah, this is that tornado that is maybe reported in south of Advent that might be hitting to Skytuck. That is moving really, 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 really close. So let's do a storm track on that. So that's moving 28 miles per hour. So we could take that 28 miles per hour, and it's gonna hit Collinsville first. So yeah, this is about. So Collinsville got about another 30 more minutes before that storm impacts. That might be a tornado could be possibly issued if that keeps this up. But right now, I'm not seeing any tornado rotations that it's possibly forming at this point. Earlier there were winds up to 60 mile per hour winds that was just reported not too long ago. We also had hail that was reported that we're looking at maybe a inch, 75 inch, 1.75 inch of a tornado. We also had an update on the severe thunderstorm warning. So this one's got about another 45 minutes to go, because that will be expiring at 6 o'clock. And this one will be expiring less than 30 minutes. So we got another 30 more minutes to go before that severe thunderstorm warning to be expired. Hopefully this is not a tornado warning. That is not an issue, which I'm really concerned about. So it's something that we just have to keep an eye out on that storm. So that is going to be something that we're going to have to keep an eye on. Let's go back to the Veloci city and not showing much on some rotations. So I'm gonna get a different uh, image being played at this time, not showing all these technologies right now compared to this one. So that's just now been downgraded to back down to a sale, which is still possibly severe. There's a rotation that is going on. Let's go back to the city. So this is these storms will be shifting. So yeah, definitely. Green Country's going to get some storms. They got storms on its way. This storm not so much, but so far these storms, yeah. But right now it is not showing anything that's severe at this point. So that's really good news. We got 7 severe thunderstorm warnings that are issued in Moly, Oklahoma, and Florida as well. So we just have to keep an eye out on that. So this is pretty much our severe weather right here at this time. So this severe weather will move out Saturday after morning. So that could be holding up really well. So the intensity score is now sits at 53.7. So we still have a little bit, just a little bit ways to go. Not really a lot to go. So right now at 48. Intensity score is now at 48.9, which that will be dropping really soon. So right now, so that's really good news. We also have another weather statement that's just been issued. So now we're going back. Now we're climbing back up to 53. If this intensity score will go up, we're going to have severe weather coverage, which we already have in Oklahoma. So what that is starting to climb more often. As you can see, it's 53.17 is the intensity score. But I'll be right back.